Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. We're going to tackle cleaning some of these Underwood key tops that are dirty, and just going to go at it. One thing you can do to get these brightened up a little is take a little pointy tool and carefully scrape in here on the white part and scrape the dirt out of here. You can't go too far, you'll scrape the white part out, but if you do it just right, you'll see that brighten up some right there. Like that D, this one post right here, or this one side. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's better. But these are kind of dirty, and this is going to get a complete clean up. So we're going to just get at this aggressively before we even do any cleaning. It's still all completely assembled. First thing I'm going to do is spray it here with some oil like this and underneath here, so I don't like the water getting on anything metal. This will help deflect the water or soap. So first thing I'm going to do is use Simple Green soap. Simple Green is blue flavor, but Simple Green. I'm going to spray it right onto my brush here. Get my camera to proper height, so I'm going to just spray it onto the brush like this, because I don't want to spray it right on the keyboard, or at least not yet. And then I'm going to stick a towel in here, keep those key bars from coming up so that it's solid like that. And then I'm just going to brush the living out of these like this. And this is a very stiff brush. Let's put it on shift lock, see if it'll stay there. This is a very stiff brush. And try to just get at this aggressively underneath the key tops and just knock what I can off with the brush. Alright, doesn't seem to be doing much. I can still see discoloration in there, so I'm going to add a little denatured alcohol to my brush, and I'm going to do the same thing with a little denatured alcohol added to it. Let's see if that helps a little bit. Can't use a lacquer thinner on these because it will dull the finish. It won't melt these key tops, but it will take any shine there is out of it. So doesn't seem to be phasing the dirt here in these very well, but it probably it's going to help overall. So let's take a rag and wipe off the rest here. Wipe off what we can here on the top. And I'm going to zap it with some air here real quick. And hit the whole thing with some oil. Blow it on through. And let's wipe off any residue from there. Not a whole lot of dirt here. A little pile of dirt, pile of stuff there. That just shows what came off it. Wipe the stuff off here. Take a look at this a little closer. And they don't look too bad. Still going to work on these. Some of these keys are kind of dull. It's not really showing on the camera very well, but when I look at it in person, I can see it. I'm probably going to go through here a little bit and lightly scrape some of these before I finish up here. This little corner of the A down here. Right there. Get that a little better. So I'll go through spend another 15 minutes probably scraping these very carefully and maybe brush it one more time, but I think the brushing has done its job. So now the underside of the key tops are, they got pretty clean. They had that white junky residue on them. There's a little bit left on some of these. I'll have to go through and do some more serious detailing, but it's a good start to whack the loose stuff off, and then I'll deal with it a little more by going through here and just rubbing each one of these as needed. And that's how you start cleaning a keyboard. Just a little meticulous sometimes on how far and how much time you want to spend cleaning these. But that's a basic first steps. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.